Welcome to our comprehensive WaterBear review, where we dive deep into this revolutionary screen and lens cleaner. Discover how WaterBear utilizes NASA-inspired technology to provide unparalleled cleaning power. From its antimicrobial properties to its reusable design, we'll explore every aspect to help you make an informed decision. Say goodbye to smudges and hello to crystal clear clarity with WaterBear. Let's get started. What is WaterBear? WaterBear is a revolutionary cleaning solution designed to keep screens and lenses spotless with ease. Utilizing nanocarbon blended material inspired by NASA technology, WaterBear magnetically attracts and traps grime, oils, and smudges, ensuring crystal clear clarity in just one swipe. Five important features of WaterBear. NASA-inspired technology. Harnessing cutting-edge nanocarbon blended material inspired by NASA, WaterBear magnetically attracts and traps grime, oils, and smudges with unparalleled precision, ensuring crystal clear clarity with every swipe. Antimicrobial infusion. With an infusion of antimicrobial properties, WaterBear safeguards against bacteria growth, providing not just cleanliness but also hygiene assurance for your devices. Silicone adhesive back. Featuring a silicone adhesive gel back, WaterBear sticks effortlessly to any surface without leaving unwanted residue, offering convenient application and removal without the mess. Washable and reusable design. Designed for sustainability, WaterBear is washable and reusable, ensuring long-lasting effectiveness and minimizing environmental impact. Versatile sizes. Available in multiple sizes, WaterBear caters to a variety of devices and surfaces, from phone screens and camera lenses to computer monitors and TVs, providing the perfect solution for all your cleaning needs. Why we love WaterBear. Convenient, always accessible on your device. Effective, NASA-inspired technology for thorough cleaning. Hygienic, infused with antimicrobial properties. Reusable, washable design reduces waste. Versatile, available in various sizes for different devices. How does WaterBear work? WaterBear attaches discreetly to the back of your phone or camera, always within reach when needed. Simply peel off the patch, clean your screen or lens, and stick it back for future use. The silicone adhesive gel ensures easy application and removal without leaving any residue, while the washable and reusable design ensures long-lasting effectiveness. Why should you choose WaterBear? Choose WaterBear for unparalleled convenience and effectiveness in screen and lens cleaning. With its NASA-inspired cleaning power, antimicrobial infusion, and reusable design, WaterBear offers supreme cleaning clarity without the bulk or mess. Enjoy crystal clear screens 24/7, backed by fast, free shipping and a guarantee of quality and satisfaction. WaterBear price and amp packages. 1 WaterBear pad. Get 1 pack for just $19.95, saving $5 off the retail price, 20% discount. Enjoy free shipping with every purchase for immediate cleaning convenience. 3 WaterBear screen cleaners. The most popular choice. Buy 2 and get 1 free for only $49.90, saving $24.95, 33% discount. Benefit from free shipping on this package to keep your devices spotless. 5 WaterBear screen cleaners. Unlock the best deal. Purchase 3 and get 2 free for just $74.85, saving a whopping $49.90, 40% discount. Enjoy free shipping and ensure all your screens and lenses remain pristine. WaterBear user reviews. For additional details about this product, please visit the description link at techidevice.com. Thanks for watching our in-depth review of WaterBear. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Have any questions or thoughts about WaterBear? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And remember, for the cleanest screens and lenses, trust WaterBear. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, keep those screens sparkling.